Mexico, a land of vibrant colors, rich history, and world-famous cuisine. But beneath the surface of this tourist paradise lies a world of dark mysteries, ancient rituals, and some of the most unique wildlife on Earth. Today, we are diving deep into the untold secrets of Mexico. Our journey begins beneath the Earth. In the Yucatan Peninsula, there are over 6,000 hidden sinkholes called cenotes. To the ancient Maya, these weren't just water sources. They were the portal to Xibalba, the Underworld. Modern divers have found human bones and gold at the bottom of these caves, proving they were used for human sacrifice. But today, they host a different kind of life: the jaguar and rare blind cave creatures. When you think of Mexican food, you probably think of tacos, but authentic Mexican cuisine is so complex that it is protected by UNESCO. Take mole, for example, a sacred sauce made with dozens of ingredients, including dark chocolate and chili peppers, dating back to the Aztecs. And if you were brave enough, the streets offer chicatanas, giant flying ants toasted with salt and lime. This isn't just food, it's a 3,000-year-old culinary time machine. Mexico's geography spans from scorching deserts to tropical rainforests, creating a habitat for bizarre creatures. In the ancient canals of Mexico City lives the axolotl, a smiling amphibian that can regenerate its own limbs, heart, and even brains. It was worshipped as a god by the Aztecs. Meanwhile, in the north, the deadly western diamondback rattlesnake rules the desert, while millions of monarch butterflies perform a miraculous 3,000-mile migration from Canada to rest on Mexico's trees. From the dark waters of the Mayan underworld to the magical regeneration of the axolotl, Mexico is a land that constantly blurs the line between reality and myth. Which part of Mexico surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more documentaries from around the world. Until next time.